We wrapped up the night when we went into the back storage room, if you could call it. There's a table back there, some chairs, some storage, so on and so forth. That's where we stopped for the night. So as we traversed around the corner into that back room, it didn't feel bad. There wasn't a weird vibe. It just kind of felt normal, but boy, we were in for a surprise.
I don't even know where to begin, to be honest. Intense waves of emotion, intense waves of electromagnetic energy, intense electromagnetic interference with devices, cat balls going off, AVPs, poltergeist activity, the walls shaking, you name it, and who knows what else we captured.